Hello everyone, welcome to Fantastico YouTube channel. So today I am going to talk on the topic the most common solution for criminal behavior is prison, but many find that education is a better method. The world during which we live is filled with people with shady characters and broken moral compasses, due to which a manifold number of crimes are committed a day. While the universal rule is to imprison the criminals, but many of us opine that education has a better method to prevent crimes. Although I concur that higher emphasis should be placed on educating the masses, I am not convinced that the imprison of criminals should be ceased. Many of us feel that instead of locking up the criminals, we would better reduce the number of crimes by tackling the systematic problem in our academic system. On one hand, the benefits of education are irrefutable. First and foremost, inculcating the masses prevents the bulk of criminals acts to occur within the first place. To elaborate, by teaching the younger generation regarding the damages these acts both cause to the individual and the society, many of them may avoid joining the gangs. Moreover, decreasing the number of criminals as an explanation for edification will eliminate a superfluous burden that's on the government shoulder. On the opposite hand, having amenities like prisons have a plethora of advantages. The first and maybe the foremost lucrative point is that they isolate criminals from other people, hence not only preventing them from committing a criminal offense but also eliminating their influence on law-abiding citizens that may pivot to the criminal life. Furthermore, the very idea of imprisonment prevents many people from embarking on criminal missions. In my opinion, although education is vital, deterrence remains the first inhibitor for criminality. Many see education as a far better remedy because it holds a long-term promise. The main explanation for crime is poverty, which is often linked with education. Take for example countries like strong education systems. In Singapore, which has one of the foremost well-regarded school systems within the world, the bulk of graduates can find well-paid jobs and therefore the rate is consequently among the lowest globally. Wow. There is no cause to commit a criminal offense if you have got enough money to supply for yourself and your family. Despite the clear results of education can cause, deterrence remains the most reason why people don't commit crimes. If there was no threat of prison, people would be happily stealing the money, murdering or committing whatever crimes they want to. A good example of the effect of prison on crime is the country with strict mandatory sentencing guidelines. Many Southeast Asian countries have imposed severe sentences on drug-related crimes to successfully curb drug traffic and distribution. There is no substitute for the clear-cut logic engendered by the threat of prison. To sum up, despite the admitted benefits of education, the deterring effect of prison prevents most crime. Countries got to invest in sustainable solutions like education and economic reform while not neglecting the irrepressible role of incarceration. So that's it from my side. I hope that you liked our video, and if so, then do like it, share it, comment on it and do subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.